In today's digital world, cyber threats are getting more advanced, targeting even common files like Excel. A recent report reveals that cybercriminals are using Excel documents to deliver dangerous malware. These attackers exploit Excel's macro feature, embedding malicious code directly within the file. When you open an infected document and enable macros, that hidden malware can instantly activate. This attack method can bypass traditional security systems, making it a serious risk to your data. Let's break down exactly how this works and what you can do to protect yourself from these attacks. Excel macros are built to automate repetitive tasks, but can be manipulated to perform harmful actions. When a macro-enabled file runs, it can download additional malware, giving hackers system access. In severe cases, the malware can grant attackers full control of your computer without detection. Imagine a hacker sends an Excel file that appears to be a regular work or finance document. The file prompts you to enable macros, where the malware is hidden and waiting to activate. Once macros are enabled, the malicious code executes, stealing data, monitoring activity, or worse. So what can you do to protect yourself from these serious and increasingly common threats? First, disable macros by default in your Excel settings and only enable them for trusted documents. This setting ensures you don't accidentally activate harmful code by opening a seemingly innocent file. Second, be very cautious with email attachments, especially from unknown senders or companies. Cybercriminals frequently disguise malware as attachments, so verify before opening files. Third, regularly update your software, including Excel, your operating system, and security tools. Software updates often patch vulnerabilities, making it harder for attackers to compromise your system. Next, install reputable security software that can detect and block malicious macro activities. Many antivirus programs today include specific protections against macro-based attacks. Fifth, stay vigilant for phishing tactics, as these attacks often begin with phishing emails. Be cautious with emails that ask for urgent action or that contain suspicious attachments. If an email looks suspicious, don't click links or download attachments. Reach out to verify instead. Finally, consider adding an advanced email filter to catch and block potentially dangerous attachments. Some filters can automatically scan attachments for malware, adding an extra layer of protection. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your system stays safe from hidden threats. At Cyber AI Pros, we help individuals and businesses stay secure against today's evolving cyber dangers. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on staying secure. Visit cyberipros.com to learn about all the services we offer to keep your data safe and secure.